Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Q&I summer course. So first of all, let me introduce myself to you, ma'am. Okay. Hello, everyone. So this is Sunit Kumar. I am your mathematics teacher. Students, we were doing linear equations in one variables in the previous class, and we had done solving equations of algebraic type, algebraic expressions which were of the form equations. We had done those questions, and today we are going to do word problems which are applications of linear equations. Let us start the class, students. Okay. So as I said, we are going to do linear equations in one variable today. And prerequisites for today's class is that we should know how to solve linear equations, which we have been doing in last 3-4 classes. And outline for today's class is that students will do word problems, which are applications of linear equations. Though these questions are not there in NCERT, but word problems always forms basis for concept building for senior classes. So whatever competitive exams you take, and in fact in school exams also, even though it is not there in NCERT, there are questions, word problems from this particular chapter which comes in exams. So that's why it is important. Let's do it. So first of all, student, let's understand the application of linear equation to practical problems. So how to attempt these questions, how to solve these questions. Let's go one by one. So first, the following steps should be followed to solve a word problem. First step is to read the problem carefully and note what is given and what is required. So whenever you read the question, whenever you see the question, first of all, read it carefully. Yeah, please keep yourself in on mute and unmute only when you have to ask some doubt. Okay. Okay. So first, what you need to do, you need to read the problem first, right? And then write down what is given in the question and what has been asked in the question. Okay. So note what is given and what is required, right? Then step 2 is denote the unknown quantity by some letters, say X, Y, Z. So whatever is required, so whatever has been asked in the question, that is the unknown quantity, right? Which you have to find after solving the linear equation. So what you need to do, you define that, denote that unknown quantity by an algebraic so by a variable X, Y, or Z. Step 3 is to translate the statement of the problem into mathematical statement. So the question would be of the form, uh, it's a kind of word problem which is related to day-to-day life. You will have to convert that into mathematical equation, mathematical statement, right? Then fourth step is use the conditions given in the problem to form the equation. So once you have converted it into mathematical statement, you will have to use the condition which is given in the question to form the equation, and then we will solve the equation for the unknown, which we have been doing till now in previous classes. And step 4 is check whether the solution satisfies the equation or not, right? So step 6 is not mandatory, that you can do just to check whether your answer is correct or not. Are all the steps clear to you, students? Are you able to understand how to approach the problem whenever you see the problem? Everyone? Ishan, Sudipti, Hanjishai, Venpa.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So let's start, students. So when I am solving the question, I'll try and follow all these steps initially so that you understand the approach of the problem, and then you can do it on your own as well. So let's see this first question, students. Right. So what I have done purposefully is that touched upon every type of problem in today's lecture, so that you have an experience of solving all different kinds of questions. So in today's class as well as tomorrow's class, my focus would be to touch upon all the word problems, all the different types of word problems, which exposes you to all different kind of conditions. Okay. So first question, a number is such that it is as much greater than 84 as it is less than 108. You have to find that number. So what was our first step? If you see the first step was read the problem carefully, note down what is given and what is required, and denote the unknown quantity by some letters. So if you see here, a number is such that it is as much greater than 84 as it is less than 108. So the number which we have to find, let us assume it to be x. So let the number be x. Okay. This is your first step. Now, what is being asked? You have to convert it into mathematical statement. So it is saying that a number which we have said that is x is as much greater than 84 as it is less than 108. That means the difference of this number x and 84 is same as the difference of this number 108 and x. Okay. So here in the first statement, it says it is as much greater than 84, means x minus 84. This will tell you how much it is greater than 84, how much that number x is greater than 84. This mathematical statement tells you this. And then this is equal to as it is less than 108. So how much is x less than 108? You will find the difference and then you will get how much is x less than 108. Now read the statement completely and see your equation. The statement says a number is such that it is as much greater than 84. So to find that, you have found the difference of x and 84 is as it is as less than 108, means the difference between 108 and x will have to be same, right? Is this equation clear to everyone? How we broke it down? Okay. Now what we need to do, as we have done in the previous classes, we will bring all the variable on one side, all the constants on the other side, and we'll try to solve it. So what we are going to do is x minus 80. So we'll bring minus x to the left, to the right, minus x which is there on the right to the left. So x plus x is equal to 108 plus 84. So minus 84 is brought to right and minus x is brought to left. We transpose the variables on one side and all the constant to the other side. Now x plus x is 2x is equal to, if you add this, we have 192, right? So x will be equal to 192 over 2, which is equal to 96 when you cancel the common factor. Okay. Yeah, Ishanis is correct. So the number which you had to find, the required number. So finally, when you have got the answer, you will also write it in the statement form. The required number is 96. And you can check it also. If you do 96 minus 84, this will be 12. And again, 108 minus 96 is also 12. So this is your LHS and RHS, both are equal, right? So 96 is as much greater than 84 as it is less than 108. So you have checked your answer as well. Is it clear, students? All the steps, what is given, you have to note, what you have to find, you have to note it, and then the variable, you assign a variable to the number which you have to find, write the statement which is there in the question in mathematical form an equation, and then solve the equation and get the answer, and then check the answer. Everything clear? Quickly, students, please note this down and then we can go to the next question. Has everyone noted this down? You can give me a thumbs up if you have noted it down, or write it in the chat. Okay. Others? Sudipti, have you written it down? Have you understood the concept? Okay, let's move to the next question, students. Now, what you have to do, as I have told you the steps in this particular question, how to solve this question, you will try to attempt the second question on your own. I'll give you 2 minutes to solve that question, and then we can discuss it. Okay. So second question, students, for the day. Now, this kind of question you have already done in class 7th, right? If you have done linear equation in one variable there. So just read it, just try to figure it out. If you are able to, okay, you are writing. Sudipti, please complete it. I'm sorry, I did not see your chat. So in the second question, what you will do, you will read that question, try to write what is given in the question, try to form an equation, right? And then solve that equation. Okay, let's move to the next question. So read the question and try to form the equation and tell me the equation. Always remember this is a linear equation in one variable. So use only one variable there. Ishan, you can unmute and tell me how to solve it. What will be the approach here?
Or if they are saying the number consists of two digits, it is a two digit number. If the
Yes.
sum of those digits is 8, okay, so basically, if we take the first digit as x and second as y, x plus y is equal to 8. And
So,
that number, so x plus y plus 18,
so
and whether it
basically,
is,
Ishan, I'll just correct you a bit. This is linear equation in one variable. We should always try to have only one variable. X and y will be two variable. So as you have done x plus y is equal to 8, write y is equal to 8 minus x. So one digit is x, other digit is 8 minus x. That will make your life easier. Okay. So
okay,
if you have taken your unit digit as x, then the tens digit will be 8 minus x. Okay.
okay, sir.
And then what will you do? Then
And
you
then
will
I'll
form
solve
the
the
equation,
equation.
right?
Yes, I'll form the equation, solve the equation, and then I'll reverse it this and find the answer.
Yeah. So try it. I'll give you 1 minute. Everyone. So Dipti, you have written x plus 18 is equal to 8. Here you have two-digit number. You will have to consider that as well. When you write a two-digit number, it will be in a different form. I'll tell you how to do that. First attempt it. First try and find it out on your own. Then only you will be able to, appreciate the method which I am telling you. So students, just yeah, Ishan, I'll tell you how to do this. है ना? So I think students, you have not seen this kind of question in class 7th. So I'll just tell you how to do that, because every question is different from the previous question. There will be some intervention required from my end. It's completely fine. I just wanted you to attempt it and then I tell you how to solve it. So a number consists of two digits. I'll write it first here. If we have a number, two-digit number, for example, 23, then how do you write that number in expanded form? So the value of that number is written as 2 into 10 plus 3 into 1, because 3 is the units place, right? It is multiplied by 1 and 2 is at tens place. This is multiplied by 10. So 2 into 10 plus 3 into 1, this will give you the two-digit number. Is it clear? Now, if a number consists of two digits whose sum is 8, so that means let digit at units place be x, right? Then in that case, digit at tens place will be 8 minus x, because the sum is 8. If one of the digit is x, other is going to be 8 minus x. Is this clear? Yes, Puvina, correct. 35 is the correct answer. Very good. Now, if I write this in expanded form, the value of that number is going to be 10 times 8 minus x plus 1 times x, because x is the units, is at units place, we'll multiply it by 1, and 8 minus x is at tens place, I will multiply it by 10. So this is the complete number, 10 times 8 minus x plus 1 times x. This is that number. Now, if 18 is added to the number, so in this number, if I add 18, its digits gets reversed. So reversed digits means that 8 minus x will become the units, will come at units place, and x is going to come at tens place. Is this clear, students? Is this clear? Yeah, Ishan, I'll tell you. See, a number, the value of that number, how do you ascertain the value of a number, two-digit number, is by multiplying that digit at tens place by 10 and multiplying the digit at ones place by 1. For example, we have 37. If you write it in expanded form, the place value, right? Place value and the face value. Face value is 3, place value is 10. So you multiply 3 into 10. This is your value, plus 7 times 1. This will give you 30 plus 7, 37. Isn't it?
Sir.
Now, Ishan, if we have some two-digit number xy, for example, right? So here you will multiply x by 10 and y by 1. This is how you get the value of that number xy, which is a two-digit number where units place is y. And now if I have a two-digit number where tens place is 8 minus x and units place is x, this is a two-digit number. If I have to write the value of this, I'll write it as 8 minus x into 10 plus of x into 1. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now this is my number, 10 times 8 minus x plus x into 1. Now it is saying if 18 is added to this number, so if I add 18 to this number, the digits gets reversed. Means my tens place digit will go at units place and units place will come at tens place. So this number, for example, 23, when the digits reverse, it becomes 32. 37, when the digit will reverse, it will become 73. And here when the digits reverse, it will become x and 8 minus x. So x now is at tens place, so we'll multiply it by 10. And your 8 minus x is at ones place, we'll multiply it by 1. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So my reversed digits, when reversed, that the number will become x times 10 plus 8 minus x times 1. This is my reverse number with the reverse digits. Till here, is it clear to everyone?
Okay.
This
Um.
equation,
No,
yeah,
sir. As we took in the first place, we took it as x and y. So shouldn't it be like suppose I take the y as 8 minus x.
yeah.
So shouldn't that be y 8 minus y into 10 plus x into 1?
So see, 8 minus x, I have taken two digit as x and y. So this my digit y. So here, don't compare this with this because here the units place is x. So if I write this as yx, so it will be easier for you to understand, right? So now this is, y is 8 minus x. So I write 8 minus x and I multiply it by 10 and then x by 1. If I take a reverse of this digit, this will become xy. So here I'll multiply x by 10 and y by 1. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is my original number yx. So I have multiplied, I have added to the 18 to the original number. I get the number with the reverse digit, that is xy.
No, I get what you're trying to say, but in the equation you wrote, did you reverse it?
I have reversed it. Na? I have, see, 10 times 8 minus x. 8 minus x was at tens place and x was at units place. Now, after reversing, x comes to the tens place and 8 minus x goes to the units place. I have reversed it. Na?
Okay.
This is here and this is here.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So now when I solve this, 10 times 8 minus x is 80 minus 10x because 10 will go inside, plus of x plus of 18 is equal to 10x plus 8 minus x. So now 80 plus 18 is 98 minus of 9x is equal to 9x plus 8. I will bring all the constant on one side. So 98 minus 8 is 9x plus 9x. So this is going to give us 9x plus 9x is 18x. So 90 is equal to 18x. So if I solve it for x, this will be 90 by 18, which is equal to 5. So now I know that one of the digit, that is in the original number, the units place is 5. The tens place is 8 minus x, that is 8 minus 5, that is 3. So my original number is going to be 35 because at tens place I have 3 and units place I have 5. Now if I add 18 to this, I will get a number which is reverse. The digits gets reversed. 35 plus 18 is 53. So the digits gets reversed, and this we have checked our answers as well. Is it
Okay, sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
So the required number is equal to 35. Sudipti, is it clear now? Have you understood it completely? Everyone. Sudipti, you have not understood. I'll repeat it once again. Ishan, have you understood it?
I have one doubt, sir. In the question, they said a number comes to 2 digits. Fine, that's all. After that, if 18 is added to the number, each digit's a reverse. So does that mean the equation we formed plus 18 is equal to the opposite of of the two digits?
Yes, xy plus 18 is
Okay, sir.
equal to yx. This is what
Okay,
is
sir.
it,
Got it.
right? Okay, now Isabel, have you got this concept? And Thamjeshai, Venpa, Uvina, and Rishmita. Okay. Okay, so I have Sudipti who has not understood. I'll again tell you, Sudipti. So Sudipti, can you, if you can unmute and tell me which portion you have not understood, it will be easier to explain you that portion more clearly. Sudipti, are you there? Okay, I'll repeat everything once again so that you know it is clear to everyone. So these kind of questions comes in exam a lot. That reversing digit type of question, not only in your class grade 8, but in any competitive exams also you will find this coming a lot. Okay, so just a sec. So yes, so a number consists of two digits whose sum is 8, right? So I have a number who have two digits, right? Which has two digits and the sum of the digits is 8. So for example, that number I have taken as xy or yx. It will be better to take it as yx, right? So if I have a number yx, x is my units place and y is at tens place. And it is given that sum of the digits x plus y is 8. So that means my, because this is a linear equation in one variable, we have to keep only one variable. So let us keep x with us. Then y is equal to 8 minus x. We can substitute wherever y is there, we can substitute it by that digit 8 minus x. So 8 minus x is a single digit. Now, when you have a two-digit number, the value of that number, right, is equal to the digit at the tens place is multiplied with 10 and digits at unit place is multiplied by 1. So if I have a number 23, I will write it as 2 into 10 plus 3 into 1. This will give me the value of that number, right? When I write the equation, I will have to take the value of that number. Now, let's say we have a two-digit number. As I said, 8 minus x is at tens place. I will multiply it by 10 and x is at ones place. I will multiply it by 1. So this is the required number which we are talking about. Clear? So now this number, now when I add 18 to this number, the digits gets reversed. That means the digit at the units place will come at tens place. So digit at unit place was x, it will come at tens place, right? As it is happening here. And digit at tens place will go to units place. So now the value of this number, the digit at tens place will be multiplied by 10 and the digit at units place will be multiplied by 1. So this is your value of that number and this was the value of the original number. Now, if I add 18 to the original number, this is my original number. If I add 18 to this, I will get a number where the digits are reversed. You can do it with two variables, but equations of two variables, you don't know right now how to solve that equation. That you will learn only in class 10th, that how to solve a linear equation in two variables. There you need to have two equations, right? You can do it by, you can do this step and then put the value of y as 8 minus x. That is also possible. Means if I write, if I have a number yx, I'll write it as 10y plus x plus of 18. This is my original number. This is equal to 10x plus y. And after that, what I'll do, because y is equal to 8 minus x, I'm going to plug in the value of 8 minus x at both the places. So then you will get this equation, which is here. You can do it with two variables, but yeah, you will have to substitute that value and you will get that value here. And then after you have got this equation, it is nothing but solving this equation, which we have done it later on. So Sudipti, is it clear now? Is it clear to everyone? Will you be able to solve this on your own? I'll quickly take one more example. I'll just, great. So what I'll do, once you have written this down, please everyone write this down. Please write this down. so that I can give you one question based on this. I'll just change the digits here. Once you have written it down, please let me know so that I can rub and start the next question quickly. No, I'm not multiplying units and tens place. I'm multiplying it by the place value. For example, as I said, if I have a number, for example, 41. So what I do, 41 means 40 plus 1 will give you 41. So 4 into 10 and 1 into 1. So we write it in expanded form. When you write a number in expanded form, then you get that number. In terms of variables, when you have two digits x and 8 minus x, you will have to write the value of that number and then add 18 to that to get a number which is reverse of that digits. That's why we are doing that. For us, the number would mean only when you have that value of that number in the equation, then only you can form that equation. And that's why we are writing it in expanded form. Clear? Everyone written this down? Everyone has written this down? Shall I rub this? I'll rub it at the top and write the question. Everyone, please write the question. The question is, a number consists of two digits. A number consists of two digits whose sum is 9. Now, if 27 is added to the number, so if 27 is added to the number, its digits are reversed. Its digits are reversed. Now find the number. Everyone, can you see this question? I'll repeat it once again. A number consists of two digits whose sum is 9. If 27 is added to the number, its digits are reversed. Find the number. Are you able to solve it? Are you trying it? Who is going to tell me the equation? Please unmute yourself and tell me the equation which we have formed. So the equation is a number consists of two digits. Now let the units place digit be x. Tens place digit, because the sum is 9, we'll write 9 minus x. Now the value of this number will be 9 minus x times 10, because tens place digit is multiplied by 10, plus x into 1. This is my number. If I add 27 to this, the digits get reversed. So x will become my tens, will come at tens place. So x into 10, and 9 minus x, that this digit will be multiplied by 1 because this comes at units place. Now let us add them together. Let's solve this. We have 90 minus 10x plus of x plus 27 is equal to 10x plus 9 minus x. So we will have 90 plus 27 is 117 minus 9x is equal to 9x plus 9. So we have 117 minus 9 is equal to 9x plus 9x, right? So we will have 108 is equal to 18x, or x is equal to 108 over 18, which is equal to 6. Isabel, so when I multiply 10 with 9 minus x, I'll multiply 10 with 9 and 10 with x. So we'll have 10 times 9 is 90, minus of 10x, and then plus of x into 1 is x, and plus of 27. Did you get it?